Hello everyone. Today we'll do second part of chapter number 13 CYP. Question number 7 is we have to construct a parallelogram where AC is equal to 4 centimeter and BD is equal to 6 centimeter and one angle is given, that is 75 degree. So here you can see two diagonals and one angle is given 75 degree. So first of all, what we have to do, here you can see because diagonal is given, so first of all we have to construct a line segment of 6 centimeter BD. So first of all we will construct a line segment BD which is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, this is line segment BD equal to 6 centimeters. Now what we have to do, we have to cut off this BD at O, which is half of 6 centimeter. So half of 6 centimeter is 3. Okay, so we have to cut off O point. Here is the O point. So here you can see 3 centimeter from B and 3 centimeter from D. Okay, now you can see what is the angle between two diagonals, that is 75 degree. So here we have to construct 75 degree angle. So how can we construct? Here you can see, first of all we have to make 60 degree angle here. Wait please, it is 60, then 120, then 90. Okay, now we will join this point to point of intersection. So here you can see this is 60 degree angle and this is 90 degree angle. This is 60 degree, this is 60 and this is 90. So 75 degree angle will be between 60 and 90 degree angle. So now we will draw 75 degree angle. We will join this point of intersection. This is 75 degree angle. Now you can see AC is equal to 4 centimeter. So AC is also a diagonal. So AC is equal to 4 centimeter. So what we have to do, we have to take half of AC. It means AO. Half of AC means half of 4 centimeter. So half of 4 centimeter will be 2 centimeter. So we will cut off OA at 2 centimeter. First of all what we have to do, we have to extend this line on other side too. Now we'll cut off OA at 2 centimeter. We'll take radius 2 centimeter here. Okay, now we will cut off it at 2 centimeter here and on other side too. Okay, this point is A and this point is C. Now join AB. BC. CD. And AD. So this ABCD is required parallelogram. Now move to question number 8. In question number 8 we have to construct a rectangle where PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter and angle RPS is 75 degree. So here you can see if we are constructing a rectangle PQRS like this, PQRS, it is rough diagram. Here you can see, so PQ is equal to 3.5. if PQ is 3.5 then RS is also 3.5 and all the angles are of 90 degree here, but there is given RPS, this angle RPS, this is 75 degree angle. Angle RPS is 75 degree angle, then this angle will be 15 degree angle. Okay, so first of all we have to construct PQ, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So here you can see line segment PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Okay, now what we have to do, wait, okay, now what we have to do, it is PQ which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now we have to make this angle. Here you can see QPR, this is 15 degree angle. So at P we will draw 15 degree angle. So how can we draw? First of all we have to draw 60 degree angle, then half of 60, then half of 30. So here you can see this is 60, join them. Now we have to construct half of 60, so we have to draw an arc here and we will intersect the previous arc, then it is 30 degree angle. Now we will join P to this point of intersection. Okay, now half of this, we will draw an arc here and we will intersect this arc. Please wait. Okay, now we will join this point of intersection to P. Okay, now we will make 90 degree angle at Q. There you can see it is 60, then it is 120, okay, join Q to this point of intersection. So here you can see this line and this line are intersecting at R. This point is R. Okay, this point is R. Now we have to make 90 degree angle at P. Now join P to this point. Okay, and now we will make 90 degree angle at R. So we can take from here. Okay, join R to this point of intersection and to other line. So here you can see this point is S. So this is required quadrilateral, required rectangle PQRS. Okay, so now move to question number 9. In question number 9 we have to construct a rectangle where diagonal is 6.8 centimeter and angle between the diagonals is 105 degree. So here you can see कि both the diagonals of rectangle are equal. So first of all what we have to do, we have to draw a line segment of 6.8 centimeter. So let's draw. Line segment of 6.8 centimeter. This is a line segment AC which is equal to 6.8 centimeters. Now we will cut off a point O at middle which is at the distance of 3.4 centimeter from the both ends. 3.4 from here, so it will be here. Okay, this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint O. 3.4 centimeter from A and 3.4 centimeter from C. So here at O we have to make 105 degree angle at O. So this time I will use D for making this angle. You know very well how can we draw 105 degree angle. So this time I am using this D. So here you can see it is 100. From here we are checking. This is 100 and this is 105. Okay, this is 90, 95, 100, 105. So this is 105 degree angle. So join them, this point and O. This is 105 degree angle. Now sorry, by mistake it is 150. 105 degree angle is this. Now we will extend this line on other side too. So we know very well the diagonals of rectangle are equal. So this diagonal is 6.8 centimeter long. This diagonal is also 6.8 centimeter long, and diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. So we will cut off 3.4 centimeter from here. So we will take the radius 3.4 centimeter equal to this one, 3.4. So we will cut off it at 3.4 and on the other hand too. So we will take here 2 points B and here D. Now we will join AB, BC, BC, and now we will join now AD, and CD. So here you can see ABCD is required rectangle. Now move to question number 10. In question number 10 we have to construct a rhombus BEST where BE is equal to 4.5 centimeter and ET is equal to 6 centimeter. So here you can see one side is given, that is BE. BE is equal to 4.5 centimeter and one diagonal is given ET, that is 6 centimeter. So first of all what we will do, we will draw a line segment BE which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. So it is BE which is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Now what we have to do, here you can see all the sides of rhombus are equal. So BT is also 4.5 centimeter. So we will take B as center and 4.5 centimeter as the radius. B as center and 4.5 as the radius. We will draw an arc. Here we will draw an arc. Okay. Now taking E as center and ET is 6 centimeter. So taking E as center and 6 centimeter as radius, we will draw another arc which will meet the previous arc at T. This point is T. Okay. Now join BT and ET. It is BT and it is ET. Okay, now BT is 4.5 centimeter long and ET is 6 centimeter long. Now taking E edge center and 4.5 centimeter as radius, we will draw an arc. Sorry. Oh. Okay, please wait. Again I am drawing this. Taking E edge center and 4.5 centimeter as radius, we will draw an arc, and taking T edge center and 4.5 centimeter as radius, we will draw another arc which will meet the previous arc at S. This point is S. Now join ES and ST. So this is the required rhombus BEST. Now move to question number 11. In question number 11, we have to construct a rhombus where diagonals are given 7 cm and 5.3 cm. So we know that angle between two diagonals of rhombus is 90 degree. So first of all, we will draw diagonal 7 cm. So here you can see it is 7 centimeter diagonal AC. So diagonal is given, so we will cut off at middle. So we will take the half of 7, so it will be 3.5 centimeter. So we will take 3.5 centimeter from both the hands. Okay, this point is O. 3.5 from A and 3.5 centimeter from C. Now we will make 90 degree angle at O because diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree in rhombus. So here we will construct 90 degree angle. Okay, now you can see it is 90 degree angle, and we will extend this line to other side. Okay, now we will cut off. Here you can see the other diagonal is of 5.3 centimeter. So we will take the half of 5.3, so it will be, I think, 2.65. So 2.65 centimeter on one side we will take 2.65, 2.56, it is 2.65. So we will cut off 2.65 both the side and 2.65. So here you can see this is point B and this is D. Join AB, BC, CD and DA. AB, B. So now we will join AD and CD. So this is AD and this is CD. So this is the required rhombus ABCD. Construct a square whose diagonal is 5.8 centimeter. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all, we have to construct a line segment of 5.8 centimeter, a diagonal of a square. 5.8 centimeter. So it is diagonal AC 5.8 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to do here, you can see half of 5.8 is 2.9. So we have to cut off O here at 2.9 centimeter from either end. 2.9. So it is 2.9. It is the point O. We know very well this is the angle between two diagonals of a square is 90 degree. So we have to make 90 degree angle here. So I am using D for it. You know very well how can we make 90 degree angle. So this time I am using D for this. So here you can see this is 90 degree angle. So we will join O to this point and we will extend this line on other side too. Okay, now we know the diagonals of square are equal. So we will cut off 2.9 centimeter on both the sides. We will take O as center and 2.9 centimeter as radius. We will cut off this line on both the sides at 2.9 centimeter. So this is B. This is the distance 2.9 and this is D. So now we will join AB. We will join AB, then BC. We will join BC, and then CD and then AD. So dear students, it is the required square ABCD. Okay, here you can see this is the required square ABCD. So students, now second part of chapter number 13 CYP is completed. Okay, thank you very much.